Hi everybody, this is Damien from RSU1 Tech TV, and today I want to show you how to use the CloudConvert service that I outlined in my last video that we signed up for and logged into. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is actually just click the CloudConvert name up at the top. This will refresh the page and make sure things are in the right place. Then go ahead and click Select Files. Here you can choose files that are in your to be converted folder. In my case, I don't have any in there. So by holding the Command key on my Mac, I can then pick and choose multiple files to upload. So I'm going to click Open. I'm then going to go to the Select Format dropdown, go to Document, and choose DocX as my format for each one. Down at the bottom, you'll see you can check the box to get notifications if you'd like. You can also check the box next to Save File to My, and then you can choose Google Drive. Once you've done so, go ahead and click Start Conversion. You'll see their statuses changing in this section here. Once they say finished, you can go over to your Google Drive. As you can see, the 3 files converted and uploaded to Drive automatically. This is going to save you a significant amount of time. Now that the documents are here, all you have to do is open them and convert them to the Google Docs format. I hope this saves you some time when moving from your Mac to your Chromebook. Once again, I'm Damien Austin with RSU1 Tech TV, and I thank you for watching.